Hello, my name's LTL, and I'm just making love to my dinosaur. Ain't that right, baby? Ooh, you're so bad, baby. Now to the haters I say, to them I'ma say, cause they be always be decoying us, boy. They always be saying you can't have no relationship with no crocodile, cause they a dog too, man. You can't have that. And to the haters I say, first of all, that's a frog hood, and then second of all, you can't, cause he got meat, so how the heck he a dog? He ain't got no cotton. That's the definition of a dog, ain't? So what y'all talking about? In all relationships, marriages, girlfriend, boyfriend, crocodile, and Hulu, and then all relationships, man, you have to have a lot, you gotta have these key things for a have a relationship. First of all, we communicate. What's up, baby? You ready for me, baby? I'm be there about 5 minutes, baby. I'm bringing whipped cream. What you gotta say about that?
Girl, I'm gonna suck your toe so good, all you gonna hear, then I'm gonna have a tongue just stuck in my teeth, I'm sure gonna eat it.
Then third of all,
hold on, sir. Don't you mean second, not third?
Man, shut up, man. Shut your smart ass up. Is this your documentary?
Heck no.
Alright then, shut the fuck up then. I'm trying to show you how I make love to my dinosaur. You talking about, oh, this ain't much right. Man, shut your smart ass up. Now listen, okay, now like I was saying. Fifth of all, we see what we do, we eat together. You want some, baby? Stick it in there, baby. Stick it far up in there. You know what? Oh, baby. Got a little something like 18 thing in a relationship.
What?
What, you gonna say something? Oh. Not 18 thing in a relationship. You gotta make love.
Now see, we used to make love in the bed all the time, but shoot, we broke the bed one time, so we can't do that no more.
Last time we did it, we broke it. Cause you know we were a little too wild for the bed to control us, you feel me? So we had to go on the ground, you feel me?
We even tried to make a sex tape, but God, dog, we was going downtown, and then we just flipped the camera. That was how crazy we was, man. I can't. You should have saw us.
We was balling. Get it, cause she was on my balls, literally. But you know, we were so wild. And then you know what she told me? She wanna step it up. You feel me? She said she wanna take it to the next level. I wanna eat your groceries. Then I said, ooh. What? Then she said, get down on your knee, papito. And you know what I said? I ain't say nothing. I just went down.
I just went with it. Shoot, suck me up.
Then she went down. After both of us was down, we started looking intimately at each other, man. We was staring at each other in the
I mean, you should have saw us, cause I was giving her that look, that sexy look, you feel me? I was looking sexy, and she was looking sexy too with me. The head game strong, you feel me?
we look intimate at each other. Man, she ate the groceries.
I mean, she ate every last bit of it. She didn't even save me one. Like, I wanted some too.
She got to eat the groceries. She ate my groceries.
Why do girls do that? Just eat their boyfriend's groceries like that?
Then after she was done, man, she ate my booty like groceries. And they were finger licking good. You were doing, oh, baby. Oh, baby. You put this on. Let me inside. Keep your legs up. Yeah, keep your legs up. Keep your legs up. Let me inside. Yeah. I want her. You feel me? Like for real, man. Like at parties, man. We be getting on, man. You see her. We be doing this, man. We be riding on each other, man, for real. She know how to twerk that thing, man. You see that? Look at that booty going to work, man. Come on, man. You can't play us. You know what, man? The head game strong too, man. Ain't one person that can do this right here, man, for real. You see that? Look at the action. Then she can put this right here too. And look, watch this right. Oh, God, come on back, baby. You see this? Look, who do this? Now to the haters that might say, oh, the court's against your head, man, the wall's closing in on you. That's why you got this dinosaur as a pet, or me as a dog, cause I be making love to her every day. But listen here, look at him, I tell them, look at him. It's my choice, you feel me? Matter of fact, at school, I was looking at girls' booties every day, man. I mean, I was a perv, but like, you think low gang? No, it's perv gang, man. Perv gang, this ain't low gang, this perv number two, man, for real. No 22 Savage, man, for real, man. We hard like that. But you know what, man? She told me something. Hurt my feelings, man.
She sat me down at the table. I ain't think nothing was wrong because she always do that. But then she hit on me, bro.
She did. You know, after she talked to me first. She buzzed me up, make me feel better. But you know what she did after that? She whipped it out.
She whipped out whole digging. I mean, her crowd was bigger than my crowd. It wasn't even much no comparison.
I sit there with my eyes, man. I couldn't see nothing right, man. I couldn't do nothing right, too. I couldn't shower right.
I mean, I was bathing my thoughts, thinking about her thing bigger than my crowd. Like, what the crap for real?
Couldn't eat right.
I mean, I was eating, but I don't know where the food went. Like, where'd it go? For real?
I couldn't even stare right. You know what I did? I walked up to her.
Grabbed him or her by the neck, and I didn't know she had a choker on. She hiding from the Adam's apple.
Like, that's crazy. I know girls, transgenders can hide their Adam's apple with that choker thing. But you know what? Other than that, look at him. See what I did after that? It's gonna be controversial, okay? I had to think real hard on this, Listen. What I did after that, after I choked her and stuff, or him with her.
I gobble the wee wee.
I need to defend my case. She did have some booty.
FTL, we need to talk.